Hi, my name is Juncheng Liu and I'm marketing and sales manager. My teammates have Jia and Yiwu. I have been doing this job for 3 years. Marketing refers to the activity of engaging potential customers interested in your product and services. It's aimed to attract, acquire, and keep customers by meeting their demands and ensuring brand loyalty. Marketing plays a major role in increasing the awareness of the brand, raising revenue, increasing loyalty of the brand, and generating more customers. The major function is any organization is considered vital or for organization survival and growth, as that brings customers to the form. A lot of marketing tactics are taken in business with a major aim at to identify and meet the demands of the customers and lead them to call of action. Marketing is a strategy drives the key decisions taken in product model development, production and price plans, and managing the factors to meet the customer satisfaction. Marketing can be used as a tool for enhancing sales that are both short-term and long-term, and is regulated by refining the 4Ps of marketing, which are product, place, price, and promotion. To experience the marketing and business management functions of an organization, the Hotel Sandbox simulator game conducted. The simulation game allows the individual or groups to simulate hotel operations and business management practices. It provides several tools to refine or support hotel booking and operation management and imitates its real-life working. To protect the business management process of the hotel, the game allows to make decisions regulating the AD marketing and promotion decisions making to extend overall customers' demand. Further, to manage the operational process, it allows to make decisions related to the requirement, staff management, training, and enrollment environment management plans. Sales and marketing is demand as two core functions of organization. As a support production of consumer-specific product or services and raise revenue of business through increasing demand. Sales process are aligned to creating sales while making it focus on attracting the people, identify their needs, and meeting the consumer demands. Sales and marketing related planning requires to make decisions related to the marketing goals considering the customer's needs. After which the key marketing and sales promotion strategies are diverse, which that it also needed to make strategy and tactics to raise sales and arrange efficient after-sales services. Significance of marketing and sales strategy and its outcome makes this very important aspect of business management. And efficiency in sales and marketing management can be achieved by careful assessment of business goals and taking informed decisions on making constraints and past performance of sales. To get the experience of the marketing and business management functions of our organization, especially the hotel sandbox game is a simulation game which imitates the real-world operations and protects of the hotel management and provides tools for informed decision making. It appears as a great term management platform which allows to make efficient decisions based on market research information and update received from the hotel's management. The platform provides rich business performance information in terms of reports on weekly indicators, operations statements, booking, and others, which can be used to take efficient decisions about the sales and marketing related aspects. Furthermore, the games provide different types of reports such as the weekly indicators, operation statements, bookings, among the others. In management of the business of Sandbox Hotel, a specific marketing strategy was developed in the simulation game, which mirrors a rapidly changed marketplace that is driven by shorter product life cycles and innovation. In that, marketing strategy decisions constant attempt given to identification and attempts to of core competence and timely development of products. To achieve efficiency in marketing of sandbox hotel specific attend laid on efficient segmentation, positioning, and marketing communications, which appears as keys to attend of success. The marketing strategy of hotel and AD and promotional plans were decided by measuring and monitoring the company's performance, whereas the platform allows to alter the advertising and promotion budget by analyzing past budget and sales performance data. In sales and marketing related decisions making, the weekly and quantity graph used to observe impact of sales and marketing over booking performance of the hotel. This is my reference. Thank you.